Hi, my name is Johan Erwier. I'm one of the directors of Ngululu Bulk Carriers. Our main objective is to transport bulk commodities like chrome ore, coal and limestone. We are based in a tough area as part of South Africa, and in this area we need a real tough truck to transport our commodities. That is why we decided 10 years back to look at UD trucks.
Joseph Mdluli, ngumshayeli waKwaNgululu Bulk Carriers. Ngilane Dorian Bosch ngizolayisha iMedgrade ngiyise eplantini. Sisebenzisa uhlobo lama-truck UD trucks. Engithandako ngako ine-engine enamandla, igibela intaba, ilayisha umthwalo sengathi ayilayishile lutho.
Hi, I'm Willem Slicker, Service Manager dedicated to Ngululu Bulk Carriers. I have a dedicated team of 10 people that is frequently on training by UD Trucks Southern Africa to keep the knowledge up to speed so that we can maintain the vehicles. Twice monthly we get a visit from UD Trucks Southern Africa Technical Department where we discuss any technical related problems. Combined with this, we keep our trucks on the road at a minimum downtime, and this satisfies our customers' needs.
Since we bought our first UD 440 truck way back in 2001, we've grown our fleet to more than 140 UD trucks. They've contributed largely towards the successes of Ngululu Bulk Carriers.